It's the 22nd of September and it's 2021, and since 2017 I've been waiting for the Honourable Government to address the issues that have been matters of avoidance and that have been compromised matters that regard an innocent child I gave birth to that has experienced trauma as a consequence of unlawful care orders in this county of Kerry, my home place, my hometown, and my patronage, my place of patronage. It gives me great dissatisfaction to highlight incompetence that I'm experiencing. Most intelligent people would consider it laughable. It's not been very sensible, the avoidance and the evasion tactics and the irresponsible nature of individuals that have damaged a sacred, angelic and her child, namely my son Garrod McElligott. It's very common knowledge that my farm holdings are of huge interest for the individuals that are disrespecting my family and my good name. There has been a lot of controversy around this issue. There has been a lot of ignorance around this issue. There's been a lot of disrespect, and it's highly insulting to faith and family and heritage, culture, politics and the judiciary that there hasn't been due process, due procedures and protocol to my royal title. That is an automatic entitlement. But there has been a lot of individuals that have been helping themselves to developments that I have no qualification in. I'm literature based, I'm culture based, I'm anthropology orientated, and there have been individuals of microbiology, neurotechnology, etc. developing from damages that they caused to my body and my sacred light. And this has been brought to the attention of the Honourable Government since 2017. So the issue of disrespect to my patronage and my property, as well as my faith and my family, is deplorable. It's an insult to women and children's rights. It's an insult to progress. It's common knowledge that there has been progress as a consequence of my humanitarian endeavours. These individuals have disrespected the concept of courage and bravery. My work commenced in 2006, and since 2006 I've been working for the betterment of education and women and children's rights, and my role and my work and my accomplishments have been disrespected. So it's a really sad sign of the times that professional theft, identity theft, etc. are all occurring, and that individuals that had disrespected my son are still attempting to cause further disrespect to his mother. So the matter I'm raising for the interests of the European Union are the matters of progress that commenced in 2018 as a consequence of my work over a 15-year period that commenced in 2006 and that culminated fortuitously in 2018. So I'm being disrespected in my home country. Democracy is being disrespected. My constitutional rights are being disrespected, and my endeavours as a humanitarian and an educator are being disrespected. And I'd appreciate the European Union really acknowledging this matter quite seriously. I have lodged since 2019 a European Court of Human Rights application with regard to the medical negligence I've experienced, the bodily integrity damages, the harms to my child, the property theft of my farm holdings, of my marriage and ancestry, and all the other issues that have been caused due to hate crime and treason in my home country. This is for the attention of Europe. The matter is quite serious. The avoidance tactics are ongoing, and the exploitation from my good work is also occurring, which also involves professional theft with regard to the developments and progress that I single-handedly conducted on my own. that individuals are taking credit for that insult courage and bravery concepts and progress and such also. So I'd appreciate Europe really addressing or acknowledging my experiences with consideration for the unjust and intolerable conditions that I'm living in every aspect of my livelihood while my farms are being trespassed upon.